Automatic Intelligent Metal Band Saw is a cutting tool used specifically for cutting metal materials. It incorporates automated features and advanced technologies to streamline the cutting process and enhance overall efficiency. The automatic intelligence aspect allows for automated cutting operations, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing productivity. With programmable controls and computerized systems, the saw can perform precise and repetitive cuts with minimal operator intervention. Intelligent Metal Band Saw is designed to deliver high levels of precision and accuracy in cutting metal. It utilizes advanced sensors, measurement tools, and real-time feedback systems to ensure precise cutting dimensions and consistent results. These automatic band saws are often designed to handle a wide range of metal cutting applications. They can cut various types of metals, such as steel, aluminum, brass, and more, making them suitable for diverse industrial needs. Although these machines incorporate advanced technologies, they are typically designed with user-friendliness in mind. They often come with intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use controls, making them accessible to operators of different skill levels. Additionally, they usually have mechanisms in place to facilitate regular maintenance and blade changes.